What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create and set up your Kofi account. So let's get started. Now first off, you can just search for Kofi in your browser and then click on the first result with this domain right here. Now once you're on this sign up page right here, you would just need to tap on sign up for free right here. And when this new window loads or this new page loads, just go ahead and fill in this info right here. So your display name, that's the public name that or your username that everyone would be able to see. Then your email address and the password that you want to be associated with your Kofi account. So let's go ahead and quickly do this. Once you inputted all the info, just go ahead and tick off this box right here so you can accept the terms. Now just go ahead and click on create my account. On the next page, you would need to select if you're a creator or a supporter. So if you're making a creator account, then tick this off. If you're creating a supporter account so that you can donate money to people, you would need to select this. But I'm creating a creator account, so I will select the first option. Now, how are you planning to earn? You can just tick whichever one of these refers to you. So I would just leave the first one that says receive tips. Once you selected this, just go ahead and click on continue. Then here you would be able to preview your URL that you would be able to copy paste in, let's say, your video descriptions or just share with other people. So this is the link to your Kofi page. And you can customize it right here if you wish. Once you customize your link or just left it as it is, you can click on next. Now you would need to select a profile picture for your Kofi account. So let's go ahead and quickly do this. Once you upload your picture, you can zoom it in right here so it fits the frame. And once you adjusted it, just go ahead and click on next. Now you would just need to select your interest. So let's go ahead and select social, other, and animation. Now just go ahead and click on next. And here you will be able to see your display name, and you can add a quick bio if you wish. But I will just skip this step for now and click on next. Now on this next page, you would just need to confirm your email. So Kofi will send you a confirmation code, which you would just need to copy paste right here. Now once you pasted over the code, the page will be automatically created. So as soon as you create your page, you will get a choice right here if you want to connect Stripe or PayPal as a withdrawal method. So I will select PayPal so we can set it up right now. Now here on this PayPal connection page, you can just input the email of your PayPal account and the country or region. Once you inputted that, just go ahead and click on next. And then you will be prompted to log in into your PayPal account. Once you log in into your PayPal account, just go ahead and click on this allow button right here, and then your Kofi account and your PayPal account will be connected for automatic transfers. And essentially guys, that's how you can create and set up your Kofi page. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.